Good morning students, I am your maths teacher. How are you students? I hope you are all good. Be cautious and be safe. Enjoy the day with e-learning. In the last class we read the types of sets. I hope you are all understand that and finished your assignment. In today's class we are going to learn about set operations. In general we have 4 operations in maths. What are they? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But in set here we have 5 operations: union, intersection, difference, product and complement. But in our textbook we have only 4 operations. The fifth one, product, you will learn in 10th standard. Now we will see the set operations one by one. First we are going to see the union of sets. The union of two sets is a set containing all elements that are in set A or in set B or in both sets A and B. A union B. This is the symbol used for A union B. Next we go for an example. Let's take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B sets containing 2 and 4. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements in A and B without repetition. Next takes another example. A is equal to FIT and B is equal to FRUIT. A union B is also is equal to FRUIT. Let's take one more example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 5. Here A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One more example. Let's take A is equal to LOVE and B is equal to OVER. Then A union B is equal to LOVER. You have to write the common elements one time only. Next we move on to intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set that contains all elements of A that also belongs to B. That means you have to take common element between A and B. A intersection B. Inverted U is the symbol used for intersection. Let's move on to example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B contains 4, 5 and 6. The common element between A and B is 4, 5. So the A intersection B is equal to 4, 5. Let's take another example. A is equal to DANGER and B equal to STRANGE. In this both A and B have the common elements A, N, G, E, R. So A intersection B is A, N, G, E, R. Let's take one more example. A is equal to containing 1, 3, 5. B is equal to 2, 4. Then A intersection B. Here we don't have any common element between A and B. So null set is the A intersection B. These sets are called disjoint sets. Difference of two sets. The difference of two sets is the set of all elements of A that are not elements of B. A minus B. So this is the symbol used for difference. Example, A is equal to FATE. B is equal to FAT. Here A and B have the common element as FAT. If you neglect that, the remaining elements in A is E, that is A difference B. Let's take one more example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B contains 2, 4, 6. Find A difference B. In this A and B we have 2 and 4 as the common element. If you neglect that 2 and 4, the remaining elements in set A is 1, 3, 5. So that is A difference B. The next operation is complement of the set. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements in the universal set U but not in A. The notation for the complement of A is A dash or AC. Read this as A complement. Example, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set A contains 1, 2, 3. Here the common element between U and A is 1, 2, 3. If you neglect that, you will get 4, 5, 6 as A dash. Next, we move on to the other example. U is equal to elements containing D, A, N, G, E, R and A contains A, N, G, E, R. If you neglect A, N, G, E, R, you will get D as the A dash. With this, we learned the 4 operations of set. Next, we will see some examples from our textbook under set operations. First one, under the complement of set A, we will see the example 1.10. Here, U is equal to C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and set A contains C, D, G, J. To find A dash, we have to neglect the common element between U and A. If you neglect C, D, G, J, you will get A dash as E, F, H, I. The next example 1.11. In this, if set P is equal to M and N and Q is equal to M, I, J, then represent P and Q in the Venn diagram and hence find P union Q. Here without Venn diagram, I am going to find the P union Q. Here P union Q is M, N, I, J. The all elements from both P and Q without repetition. Next example is A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number and X lies between 1 and 12 and B is set X such that X is a multiple of 3 and X belongs to N and X less than or equal to 12. B, 2 sets. Find A intersection B. Here the set A is X is an even natural number and X should be lies between 1 and 12. Here the even natural number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and B is multiple of 3. So we will take 3, 6, 9 and 12. Then A intersection B is the common element between A and B. Here the common elements between A and B is 6 and 12. So A intersection B is equal to 6 and 12. Next example comes under difference of two sets. Here set A contains -3, -2, 1, 4 and B contains 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A minus B and B minus A. Here A minus B equal to -3, -2, 1, 4 minus 0, 1, 2, 4. In this I have to neglect the common elements between two sets A and B. 1, 4 are the common elements. If you neglect that, the remaining element from A is -3 and -2. For the set B minus A, you have to neglect 1, 4 here also. The remaining elements from B are 0 and 2. Next we will see the new concept, symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is set A minus B union B minus A. It is denoted by the symbol A triangle symbol B. Here the triangle symbol denotes the symmetric difference. A symmetric difference B is equal to X such that X belongs to A minus B or X belongs to B minus A. For this symmetric difference, we will see an example 1.15 in from textbook. Here A is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 and B is equal to 8, 10, 12. Find A symmetric difference B. First we have to find the A minus B. Here A minus B is equal to 6, 7, 9. We have to neglect the common element 8. Then B minus A is equal to 10 and 12. Here also we have to neglect the 8. Then asymmetric difference B is equal to 6, 7, 9 union 10, 12, which gives the answer 6, 7, 9, 10 and 12. With this we will wind up the today's class. I hope you all enjoyed the class, and do the assignment after watching this video by opening the assignment link. Thank you children.